The Wise Gardener and the Mindful Heart. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old gardener named Master Lin. His garden was a sanctuary of vibrant flowers, lush herbs, and towering trees that whispered in the wind. People from all around would visit, not just for the beauty of his garden, but for the wisdom he shared. One day, a young woman named May arrived at his gate, her face clouded with worry. "Master Lin," she said, "my mind is restless, my heart is heavy, and I don't know how to find peace." The old gardener smiled gently and handed her a small basket. "Come, help me gather herbs, but as you do, I want you to notice three things: the scent of the leaves, the texture of the stems, and the sound of the earth beneath your feet." May frowned but obeyed. As she plucked mint leaves, she noticed their sharp, refreshing fragrance. When she touched the rosemary, its needles were firm yet gentle, and with each step, she heard the soft crunch of soil. Slowly, her breath steadied. "Master," she said after a while, "my thoughts feel quieter now." "But why?" He nodded. "Mindfulness is the art of being fully present. When we focus on what is before us, the storms in our minds grow still." May sighed. "But what about the unkindness in the world? People hurt each other without thought. How can I stay kind when others are not?" Master Lin led her to a lotus pond. "See how the lotus grows in muddy water, yet remains unstained? Wisdom teaches us that kindness is not a reaction. It is a choice. When others act in anger, we must act from compassion. When they speak harshly, we respond with patience." "But isn't that difficult?" May asked. "Yes," the gardener admitted. "But every act of kindness, no matter how small, ripples through the world like a pebble in this pond. And mindfulness helps us see clearly, so we act wisely instead of reacting blindly." May bowed deeply. "Thank you, Master Lin. You've given me much to think about." He chuckled. "Don't think too much. Just breathe, be present, and let kindness guide you." From that day on, May practiced mindfulness in every moment, listening deeply, speaking gently, and tending to her own heart like a garden. And in time, she too became a light for others, proving that wisdom and kindness grow best in a mindful heart. The end. A story of mindfulness, wisdom, and kindness. May it inspire you to pause, breathe, and choose compassion.